Hi everyone, Rene with the American School of Hypnosis, and we have some exciting news. Woohoo! We just finished creating a brand new hypnosis script manual that you're going to love. It's called Building a Better Person. Now, the brainchild of this is we've been going through a lot over the last couple years. It's time to start recovering, and that's what this is designed for. These are exciting building scripts to help to rebuild you to the person that you were and better. I'll put a list of all the different scripts that we have, and I'll put them right over here. You can see by the scripts, they're all there to help you. Now, there's two really cool things about it. First of all, these are royalty-free scripts. This means you can use them to create your own MP3s or CDs, sell them online. It's as if they're your own scripts. So they're royalty-free, and you're going to find royalty-free scripts are very expensive, but not these. And secondly, this can be used for normal scripts like the regular hypnosis practitioner would use with their client, but it's also designed to be used for self-help. That's right, you can use these scripts for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, and begin the recovery process. We even include instructions within the manual of 3 different ways that you can use these scripts in self-help. So go ahead and get them now. In fact, over the next 3 days, we're having an early bird special where you can get this manual for a spectacular price and get started rebuilding yourself, your family, and your clients. So go to the link just below this video and get yours now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.